Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Finally it's here, the second part of the video where you can find the makeup tutorial application. So now let's create the makeup look using this beautiful Peachmania eyeshadow palette. So in the Peachmania look we have this beautiful blend of warm shades and a contrast creating with this very cool light blue touch. I'm gonna start using this shade that's matte and I apply it onto my lid. So the color is beautiful and very natural. So you see it instantly gives you a warm wash of color. You can take a brush and diffuse the color even more. Oh, this shade is so pretty, I love it. Then let's take this one and apply here in the socket line. Now I take this light pastel light blue and I apply a bit on the center of the lid, like a touch. So it instantly opens up your look. You can use a smaller brush if you want something like this, a flat brush. And let's place it here. This is very intense, so you have to be quite wise in the placement because it's very intense. And in the promo image you see that the orangey shade, the light orangey shade, goes very close to the eyebrows. So my suggestion is to diffuse the color with clean brush, using probably this one, just a bit, and yeah, blending like this. Now I take this shade with my finger and apply just a touch in the corner here. With the finger I take a touch of light blue and I press it. So you can try to create a sort of triangle, something like this, and then blend again. Take a stylo, black stylo, like this, and we trace a very subtle line. We go a little bit up. So let's put the mascara and then we adjust everything. So I haven't purchased the lip maximizers that goes with this eyeshadow palette, so I will use a touch of Dancing Rose by Lisa Eldridge. My suggestion is to use a light blue shimmering gloss if you have something transparent but quite cool. I mean, so this is not very cool because it's quite rosy, but it's very shimmery, so it's very luminous, so I like it to combine with this look. So you can contour the lips a bit. This is Lisa Eldridge Zero and lip pencil. I haven't also the luminizer, so we have to invent something using a bit of coral bronze, the number 3 shade from Dior Forever bronzer. So just to add a little bit of warmth here. So the lavender luminizer will be a dream with this makeup look, because it really complements the icy light blue. So the cool touch of a luminizer here would be amazing. So highly suggested in my opinion. So I'm taking this highlighter from Dioriviera and I'm placing here just a touch. This is the eye look created with PEACHMANIA Eyeshadow Palette for Spring 25. So let me know your impression and if you have loved this look. Let me know. See you soon. Bye!